Vegan Food Reviews. We back in Detroit, and today we're at Urge Organic Raw Juice. So I think, to be very specific, we're in Berkeley, but it's the Metro Detroit area. I don't care, we're in Detroit. So if you go on their website to check out their food, it says Urge Kitchen. So in the kitchen, you'll find stuff like cold pressed juices, juice cleanses, shots and elixirs, smoothies, cognitive coffee and ginger tea, nourish bowls, build your own bowls like acai and pitaya bowls, soups, bagels and toast, as well as breakfast and snacks. So I got 3 things today. First, we're going to start off with the Key West cold pressed juice, which is a seasonal special cold pressed pineapple and young Thai coconut. Shake well, that's what I'm looking for. I actually think this is about to taste amazing, so. Yep, I like that. And it comes in a glass bottle. That's a nice touch. Key West, I like that. Then we got the avocado tomato toast. So the avocado tomato toast is going to be 2 open-faced slices of toast on multigrain or gluten-free. I got the multigrain. So toast, avocado, arugula, tomato, lemon juice, sea salt, plus pepper and red pepper flakes. It's cool. Like, I really don't taste anything else besides, I mean, I guess I get a little bit of that red pepper or whatever, but I don't really taste anything else besides the tomatoes, the arugula, the bread, and a little bit of the avocado. Like, I'm not getting all that flavor that I wanted to, but it's still okay. And then finally, I've been wanting one of these for a minute. Build your own acai bowl. So it's an acai base of the acai puree with bananas, and then you get 4 toppings. I chose strawberry, banana, coconut flakes, and raspberries. I also got agave, dates, and ginger added on top. The powder that's on top, that's on my lips, I think that might be the ginger, because I don't taste little ginger pellets, or you know what I mean, little bits of ginger, whatever you want to call them. Like I'm a gerbil, right? A ginger pellet. Whatever that was, still frozen. I don't even know what that is. Maybe acai. It's gotta be acai. It's still acai mixture at the bottom of this that has not been processed. Big old solid chunks. All right, so the Key West, crazy, love this. The avocado tomato toast was okay. It was okay. Like, I'm gonna eat the other piece and all that, but. And the acai bowl, that was cool as well. So Urge Juices is going to be a good place if you're looking for a healthy juice option, or I'm not sure if all their food is raw or considered raw. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't, whatever the deal is. But, you know, if you're looking for some simple eats with healthy superfoods, a nice selection of different options to choose from, check out Urge Juice, Urge Organic Raw Juices. You can go to Urge website, urgejuice.com. You can check out their menu. You can check out the cold pressed juices and the smoothies and the food options that they offer. If this is something that you feel like you might like, come down here and give them a shot. Check them out. They also have local delivery with Chow Now, DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Grubhub. So you might want to check that out as well. All right, man. I'm the vegan fooder, Thomas Jacoby, and I'll see y'all next week. Peace.